Luckily, Grandpa had a warm sweater for me.
Hey guys, Subway Surfers gameplay. Mumbai. Yeah, color blast. So let's get into this. My thing's loading up, guys. Guys, thank you for 7 subs. Yeah, 7 subs. I made us a thumbnail. Yeah. Are my things in Iceland? My thing's lagging. Oh god, there's like rain in my thing. So yeah, the board I have is lumberjack. I wish I had that ability. That would be cool. Like, we got a mystery cart right there. Could get some coins out of that, or another hoverboard. Yeah, I like this new Mumbai. It's okay. I like the one before just a little better though. A little better.
Music on, please.
Like. Yeah, I got the jump, the big boots that make you jump like over the Great Wall of China. So yeah. Guys want me to do Subway Surfers? Leave a comment, call it #Subway Surfers. I don't care if you say it with caps or anything. Say it with a period, I don't care. Say it full caps, say it like you're screaming, I don't care. Say it if you want more. It's like I've been playing this for a long time. Okay, I got boots. Sorry for the background. Okay, shit, guys. I'm pretty good. I've been playing for like a year. Since we hit 10 subs, when we hit 10 subs, I'm gonna start daily uploading, or uploading a lot. I might even daily upload now. Just probably gonna start daily uploading when we hit 10 subs, guys. Yeah. 10 subs will be great. My YouTube video. Okay. Oh, oops. Oh, my board was about to break, so kind of happy about that. Stop, Jules. Okay, guys. That's my high score, that blue guy right there. I don't know what happened to my logo. Equip the board. Like, Subway Surfers is pretty fun to watch. Like, if you like watching it, then like leave a like. Well, you don't have to. It's your choice, but I saw it. It's kind of fun to play. It's kind of fun to watch as well, actually. Like, it's someone just zooming through the game, so it's kind of fun to watch. To me, it's very fun to watch. Some people aren't. That's why I said kind of fun. So most people, it's kind of fun to watch. It depends. If the guy's going slow, that's boring. Yeah, I get it. I'm going fast right here. I'm going pretty fast. Yeah, I don't know why I have so much boards and stuff. I barely use my thumbs. I don't have as much coins right now. Let's just use a key, whatever.
I just remember this. You know I said I did it years ago.
You can buy keys. That'll be cool. Down like that. Hit your head to the roof, rip. You just no clip through the roof. Like, it's kind of weird. Why did I do that?
Balls? What? Can't bring balls.
So what?
Cards or spinners? You can't.
Why not ball? Why can't you not bring soccer ball?
Can I bring Rubik's Cubes?
That's true.
And
Swear, they're gonna say something while I'm laugh. So that guy did like sight.
okay, guys, tomorrow I might show my Rubik's Cube collection, or the day after that. I'm not sure.
I don't practice Monday.
So yeah,
Tuesday, but I don't need to go.
the video I just uploaded today was recorded like a week ago.
I did put maybe, but
So yeah, forgot to upload it, so I just uploaded it now. I want to do it later.
Wednesday after.
I'm gonna be tired. It's 8 o'clock for me. What I mean later, around 9. When it's 9, I'm just getting off my Xbox and going on my tablet to play some Subway Surfers or do something else like that
He's
shit.
got a late game Wednesday.
When's my game? Wednesday.
Oh,
When's my
Next
next
week.
game?
it's his birthday.
Okay, I'm resuming for these. Got 1,000 coins from
Wait,
this.
can I have the phone for a second? I want to see if there's a game on my day. It's my birthday.
Here, yeah. I don't want to be long on the
I'm just jumping like crazy. It's going really fast right now.
I have a game on my birthday. Bro.
Whatever. What time?
That's not whatever. 7 o'clock.
Oh, this is late. I got a jetpack again, guys.
Oh, I think it's late shirt.
Here. Well,
Okay. Who you bringing on Wednesday?
okay.
What's now?
Yeah, right.
No. You changed the music?
I'm going for this. I got the 2 times score boost, whatever it's called.
Play something good. Play something good.
Okay.
Sunday night.
What is this garbage?
Easy up this on?
It's Quebec Day, so they might have French music on. Okay, guys, I'm doing this. The day I'm recording this is Quebec Day. Just so you know. Probably uploading it the day I record it, guys. blasting for this.
What? Alright, change your Just leave it on 3.
Guys, 10 minutes. So I'm gonna end this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Bye.